Ja Magna in her quiet era nga daw. Of course not. I just don't... I just don't move when you beckon. I will not insult my own intelligence because I actually have it by answering to people who bark more than dogs. As requested, magtatagalog daw ako or mag-i-English at hindi na daw magbibisaya kasi maraming hindi nakakaintindi sa last video ko. My last video basically was to say that sa mga mag-rally sa loob ng 3 araw na to, walang problema na magrarally kayo basta hindi lang talaga masasalihan ng hindi magandang intensyon ang pagrarally ninyo. Na sana ang totoong intensyon for transparency and democracy, and hindi ko kasi gets yung better democracy, mami. Sino ba naman may pakana ng better democracy na yan? Kasi hindi ko magets. Akala ko ba transparency? Akala ko ba peaceful? Pero ang pinakaunang ginawa ay hiritan ang mga pulis at i-threaten sila. Anong kaibahan ng rally dati at rally ngayon? Andyan naman ang ating mga magigiting na kapulisan ng rally noon, hindi ho ba? Tapos ngayon magre-react kayo na andyan sila? Magre-react kayo na ganyan na lang talaga ang paghahanda at pagprotekta sa Malacanang. Alangan naman hindi nila gawin ang trabaho nila. 'Di ba? Na protektahan ang Malacanang mula sa mga masasamang elemento. Kung hindi masama ang intensyon mo, then kalma ka lang dapat. Kalma lang dapat ang pepe mo kung hindi ka naman talaga terorista ang pag-iisip. Pero yan kasi ang problema. Hindi kasi pwede na sa kamay na to naglilingap kayo worldwide. Go, game, at alam ko yan. Hindi nyo kailangan akong itag, my God. The hell? Don't tag me because the message is the message you missed. Do not link up with this hand if you're going to destabilize the government with this other hand. Kasi kayo very confident kayo na, oh my God, we will not do that kasi naglilingap na kami. Ebe, kasama ho ba kayo sa closed door meeting ng mga leader nyo? Kayo bang lahat na sangkaterbang kaanib, kasama ba kayo sa closed door meeting ng mga leader ninyo kung saan sila ang gustong puksain at pababain si PBBM? At kayo lamang ho ang ginagawang target at kayo lamang ho ang ginagawang sacrificial lamb. Aware kayo niyan? Kasi yun lang naman ang point ko. Pero kayo kasi na mga defensive, kayo kasi na, oh my God, makareact. Sa totoo lang, I'm just being honest. I'm being honest and telling you that you're being used and you're about to be used as a sacrificial lamb. Okay? Kasi I don't mind you rallying. Again, you're right. You can rally all you want. You can rally for 6 months. I don't give a fuck. But for you to rally, destabilize the government within this rally, and you vehemently say it isn't true, then you're misinformed. Then somebody is lying to you. Okay? Because there is most certainly a plot to destabilize the government because kailangan magsanib puwersa ang naratibo, Kasi ngayon, sa totoo lang, hindi talaga magulo ang Pilipinas. Ang nagpapagulo ang mga DDS na ingay sa Facebook. Katulad yan nung isang gabi na kinausap ko yung Grab driver ko na sabi niya, kasi ma'am, gulong-gulo ang Pilipinas. Sinagot ko talaga siya, kung magulo ang Pilipinas, edi sana hindi na nagtatrabaho ang DSWD. Kung magulo ang Pilipinas, edi sana hindi na nagtatrabaho ang iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Kasi nga, magulo, diba? Pero at the end of the day, pagkatapos ng mga bagyo, ng lindol, ang preposition goods na deliver agad. Wave upon wave of help has come. So kung sinasabi mo na magulo ang Pilipinas, sino ang makakabenepisyo? Most certainly not me. Most certainly the people that want Sara as president. Kaya gusto nilang isipin ng mga Pilipino na magulo kahit hindi. Sige nga kung magulo ang Pilipinas, lumabas ka sa bahay mo ngayon din. Lumabas ka. Pumunta ka sa inyo, sa labas. Puntahan mo yung mga chismos sa mga kapitbahay. Magulo ba? Unless you're in the middle of a war zone, hindi siya magulo. But gusto nilang guluhin because, of course, the narrative should fit. Sara will save us all. Absolutely not. Sara started all of this. She did. And the DDS wants to make her president, so it will make everything else go away. All of a sudden, Zaldico is your saint? The same Zaldico that fought back and said that Sara should be investigated for her confidential funds. The same Zaldico you are all immaculately exalting and applauding. Nakakatawa kayo, Nakakatawa kayo. Kumakain talaga kayo ng tae. And I don't want any part of that. Kasi imagine niyo the same Zaldico na oo nga, hindi siya kasama talaga sa pagnanakaw ngayon. Pero kasama siya sa pagnanakaw ng Farmally at sa DepEd laptops. Hindi siya kasama at wala siyang nakuhang ni katiting na pera kasi hinatid niya lahat sa mga maleta na pinicturean niyo lang na walang laman. Saan si Bryce? At least si Bryce, pinicturean ang limpak-limpak-limpak na salapi sa loob ng opisina niya. Yun, maniniwala ako. Sa maleta na binili sa SM? My golly gosh. Diba? Bryce had the forthright decision to take a photo of the money. Bakit di naisip ni Zaldi yun? But I won't tell you what to do anymore kasi, oh my God, I'm doing your jobs for you. Diba? Because unlike you, I don't want to destabilize the government. I want Marcos to finish his term. And if Sara is the better choice, best choice for 2028, like you all think she is, then wait for your turn. Because sadly, for you, the kakampings, they're gaining traction. Sadly for you, the kakampings will not take part in all of this because it's us that created this. Of course, I will also do my part in accepting that because I supported the unity team. Because binudol nila tayong lahat. Because Sara just couldn't behave. Because she could not wait to be president. Well, she should have. You should have. Because it is such an insult to her father who won an election fair and square and by a landslide for her daughter to simply take it by force and violence. My gosh! No! Diba? I ain't supporting that shit. Na diba, magiging presidente siya, tapos may mga namatay, ng mga inosente. Kaya hindi talaga peaceful yan, be. You're gonna wanna take the presidency? No. No. They're not gonna let you. So I hope for God's sake, for all of you, to do your rally. Again, do it every day for 6 months. Just bring water, sunscreen, and prepare yourselves. But don't try to destabilize the government. To, make true that magulo. Because hindi talaga magulo ang Pilipinas. Kayo lang ang magulo. Magulo ang script nyo kasi hindi nga magkakatugma ang script ni Orly at ni Zaldi. Number 1. Hindi magkakatugma dahil hindi pwede na in-insert na presidente na vinito din niya ang tanga gaga. At hindi din talaga pwede na kayo magsasabi kung kailan ako magsasalita. I am in my quiet, peaceful, loving era. Because it is such an insult to my intelligence to remind you that even my 6-year-old son says that if you take a picture of a maleta, it doesn't necessarily mean there's money inside. What an insult for a 6-year-old boy to have more brains than you. Tapos ikaw, Rowena, makatawag ka sa akin, who the fuck are you, Rowena? You don't get to tell me kung kailan ako papasok. Because between you and I, you were once paid by the taxpayers to be a commissioner, are you not? Between you and I, Rowena, you don't get to tell me what to fucking do. Because between you and I, you're a disgrace and I'm not. Because it is an insult to my intelligence to be beckoned by a dog. Because ano yan, Rowena? You can't be popular on your own. You have to mention Jamagno? Ano yan? Diba? What an insult to you and your past in government. My God, Jamagno pasok. Like, no, bitch. Wait. You wait for when Jamagno wants to speak. And now you requested that I speak in Tagalog and in English, so here it is. I want my son to hear this. Because at the end of the day, if you want change, you start at home. You teach your children to be better. You teach your children to help and not be self-entitled. But look what happened to the children of PRRD that he left with us. And as quoted by Dilima, oo nga, nangilog siya bana. Diba yan ang point niyo na hindi siya pakikinggan kasi kinuha niya si Junel mula sa asawa ni Junel. Sumama si Junel. So si Junel dapat mag-a-adjust, hindi si Dilima. At hindi pa rin mali ang sinabi ni Dilima about the brainless part. Because if you had any brains, you'd wait your turn and not steal power from the one who has it currently. Because in a democracy, you win fair and square and without buying your votes. Ingat!